always a home to me. From day one of the college, JAIN, its teachers, the entire system has always been very supportive, not just towards me but towards each and every children. So be it your academics, be it your cultural activities, or be it your placements, JAIN has always been supportive towards their students. And for me, like placement, this thing was like really big, because from initial stage I was like trying to get into my hands into something really extremely good. So I've always people in placement department, be it your internal placement team which belongs to your own department, or be it like external placement team which communicates with everyone, they have been like, there is this transparency between everyone. So it's not like we cannot communicate to someone who's like really senior. We can just go and approach them, which is really nice. And whenever we needed their support, they have always been there, be it placement training. Even the times of COVID, they have not like lagged behind anywhere with respect to training. And actually what I believe, that training helps each and every student, and because of that training only we get that strength or that boost, like how to go about it. So that's how I will tell that our college have always been like really supportive towards the students. And especially I would like to mention the teachers. Teachers specifically, I can tell for my department, the teachers are like amazing. They always not just like, they always somehow manage to, you know, motivate you. Even if we are not communicating directly to our teachers, they are somehow posting some quotes or something. So it will keep motivating you. And even during the placements also, if at all, because since most of the things were online when we were doing it, so it was like quite a bit challenging for us. But from our placements team, from our college placements team, for an interdepartmental placements team, we have been always provided with the help. If at all we are missing out some links, or if at all we are missing out with some of the, maybe due to network issues or something like that, they have always been supportive towards it. They have given us the alternate options to how to like go about it. So it's really nice.